Hi everyone, welcome to the next video in our Lost Items series. We have a bag here. I'm thinking this is a shopping bag. I'm not sure if I've done a shopping bag before because there's lots of bags on this page. So I may have to call it tote bag or something like that. I can't quite think, but it doesn't really matter to you, does it? Because you're watching away, so it's fine. I haven't put my pencils away from the last video, so hang on. Just going to move them out of the way. We shall use some different colours for this bag. We did a green bag, but I quite like the idea of doing another green bag, but I don't think I will. I think I'll grab some browns, make it look like maybe a sort of straw type effect of bag. That might work. I met a friend actually the other day, and she's got a bag a bit like this, that's sort of straw, sort of woven. This is number 49. What I think I'm going to do with this is the fawn colour, by the way. I am going to do it stripy, but I'm just going to use the sort of browns to make it look like it's sort of a woven-y, I don't know, printed stripy bag or something. I've gone over the label there. Wasn't my intention. I think I'll just let it develop itself as I go. I know that's not easy for a lot of people. They like to plan it all first. But gosh, it's bright. The sun's coming out. I've got my blind open today. At the moment, I think the sun is brightening up a bit, but I'm hoping that it'll be okay. Problem is, when it's this bright, the floaters in my eyes really show up against the white page of the book. So, but I'm sure it's okay. Okay, so that's step one. And I'm going to do the other stripe in 73, which is the burnt sienna. So it's slightly darker. Of course, you could do any colours that you like. You have to. I just felt we haven't done brown for a while for anything. And it's just trying to balance the colours a little bit. And use all our colours. I've got a whole bag of colours, a pencil case of colours. Use them all. There we go. I'm just turning my pencil around a bit to get a sharper part of the lead. And the last bit. There we go. I haven't been out today. I sort of meant to. I want to, but my son was here this morning and I had a neighbour pop over, and I was trying to help my son with his revision a little bit. And then I came and thought I would get on with a bit of recording while it was quiet because it's Friday today. Yeah, I think I'm going to use dark sand number 72 for the sort of top bit. So I thought I would get on and come and do some recording before I sort of think about going out, because actually my son's coming back quite early. I think he's got a key. I'm not sure, so I'm going to have to be here. I think I'm going to do these straps and handles in this colour too. So I may not be able to go out, but I'll have to just see. But I've got excitement tomorrow. My bookcase is arriving, but I don't know what time. I think husband ordered it for me. I think he said he's going to get a text message with the time. Unfortunately, he doesn't have his phone on in the office. It's not very professional. So he won't be able to tell me until tonight. This is 76, which is our Van Dyke brown, and I'm going to do these knobbly bits. I don't know what they are. And I'm also going to use this for something else. Now, I'm thinking, because I said I want it to look a bit like it's woven, I'm thinking I want a few lines going through it. So I'm going to use this to just sort of put some lines through. They're not too dark. I don't want it too dominant, but I just want it to look a little bit like there's a woven fabric there. You don't have to do this bit, particularly if you didn't want to do a straw bag and you just wanted a nice coloured stripe, then maybe this wouldn't really work anyway. And I'm going to do some across as well in the centre of the, in between the lines that we've got here already. And I hope it looks like it's sort of straw. I'm going well out of the lines. I'm going to get in there with an eraser in a minute. And there we go. Now for me, I think that looks a bit more straw-like, but I know what I was trying to achieve. It might not be so obvious to an outsider looking in. I've grabbed the number 77, which is our tobacco brown, and I'm just going to do some shadows on it. I feel that this rim might just be sticking out a little bit, so I might just try and put a little bit of shadow underneath it to start with. Quite a hard line there, and under these bits too. Then down the side of these and under our label. I know we haven't coloured our label yet, I'll try and remember. Like that. Now I'm thinking, to make our bag look slightly more 3D, I want these edges to be a bit darker. I'm going to use this colour very carefully. So a little layer of this darker brown. And then just bring it in a bit. And the same on this side. And I hope it might just give us a slightly more 3D effect on our bag. Yeah, maybe. Maybe we need a bit at the bottom as well. Maybe it has. And now our label, as I said, I haven't forgotten. I'm actually going to use the 49, which is the fawn colour that we started with. Whoops. But I'm going to do it quite hard. So I did it quite lightly on our bag. So I'm going to layer it up here so it looks like a different colour. But it will blend in. There we go. Yeah, I'm happy with that. That's come out better than I expected, to be honest. So I'm pleased. So there is our shopping bag. I hope that was okay. I hope, yeah, I was a bit quiet. Not very chatty. I don't know why. Try and be more so tomorrow. But for now, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fab day and happy colouring.